walked out here, nearly cried, because like it's just like I couldn't comprehend that's my ute, like it's mine, like it was wild. So then it was just above and beyond, and then hopping up into it and then looking down at people I'm driving, everyone's looking, and then I pulled up at the traffic lights and some bloke's just like, mate, that's a mean looking cruiser. I was like, mate, I literally picked up from Superior this morning. Like
What? Oh, this is hectic.
I don't even know what to say. I'm lost in words.
What's up guys, Mitch here. I'm here with Ben and his big cruiser behind us. Let's have a quick chat to Ben what drew him into the 79 series and getting this build done. So Benny, what drew you to the 79, man?
Well, I think it's just the overall aesthetics of a bus. I like it.
Yep.
It's old school, it's simple. Like you pay 100 grand for one cup holder. Like it's just old school, it's reliable. The Toyota name, you really can't go wrong. And yeah, I think I was just fortunate and lucky enough to be able to get one of the new shapes within the V8s, and yeah, it's good.
Yeah, no, it is good seeing them bring that sort of heritage look back, but keeping the V8 and being one of the last to get the V8's definitely good. What drew you in to bring it to us to get the kit fitted out?
Well, with Superior, like yourself, like I spoke to you earlier, like just the ads online, but then also Superior having the name they do. Like you're leading from the front. There's no one even close to you guys. Australian made, owned, and I was just lucky enough to be close to you guys for you to be able to fit it out with. But overall, like yeah, you guys are leading the front, so why wouldn't you come here? So
no, awesome, man. What are the plans? Where are you planning on going? Where are you going on adventure?
Well, Glass House Mountains is probably definitely a local one that I'd like to give it a crack, but then Fraser's been top of my priority for a long time. I've never had a vehicle to be able to do it, but now I do, so that's probably, yeah, where I'm heading first, I think.
That's one of the best things about Southeast Queensland. Within a few hours, we have some of like World Heritage listed spots like Glass House and Fraser. It's unreal. And then how many islands we got just an hour's boat ride away. It's unreal. But the 79 is the perfect rig to get it all done in. That's for damn sure. Obviously, building a dream car, you want to have that correct service. How was our sales team and the fitting team getting the car built for you?
Well, I think that's also what sold it to me. Was when I made the phone call, I was like welcomed with like open arms, really. When I spoke to Nathan on the phone, like I gave him this big rundown story of what I wanted, my vision, where I wanted to go, what I wanted to do, and Nathan from the dot just like this and this. He's like, this is what I would do. Wouldn't go here, wouldn't do this. Like, it was honest feedback, and it was no more than that. Like, I didn't need comp spec wild stuff. Like, I'm not that type of person. I'm not going to take it there where Nate's like, this would do more than what you could ever put it through. And then, yeah, so it was like top quality. Nate literally. So, and then from that point, like, sent me through the quote, paid the deposit, and that was it. Like, there was no question, there was no double question, and it was amazing from the start. So
that's awesome.
Yeah.
That's what we always hope. We got that name, Superior Engineering. We want to provide a superior service as well. So I'm glad you received that as well.
Yeah, very much so. It was very high. Yeah.
Awesome. Lastly, Ben, if you had to sum it up in one word or a short sentence, what would it be?
Well, I think a young boy's dream becomes a reality, I think. So, yeah, there's nothing short of that. It's it's magical. It's literally a dream come true, and yeah, couldn't be any more.
No,
happy.
that's awesome to hear, man. And we're glad we got to build it for you and bring that dream to life, man. So thanks for coming out.
Thank you very much.
No worries, man.
Appreciate it.